Good morning to August 12th LeetCode Challenge. Group anagrams. Given an array of strings, group the anagrams together. You can return the answer in any order. An anagram is a word or phrase formed from rearranging the letters from a different word or phrase, typically using the original letters exactly once. So we're given the string here, right? It has a whole bunch of letters in it, words in it, and we want to be able to find the group of anagrams. So any words that be rearranged to make another word within the same string. So for instance, bat, B-A-T-T, there's only B-A-T, I should say. There's only one string inside the string group that could be an anagram of bat. So we just leave it as itself. However, we see tan, and T-A-N and N-A-T. These are anagrams of each other, right? Because you can make N-A-T and we can make T-A-N from the same letters once. So we group those together. And likewise with these three strings, we can make an anagram from each other. So example 2, an empty string or string of itself will be its only group. So constraints are that the string is between 1 to 10 to the 4 length, and then the string at each index, so how many words we have, would be less than 100. And each character, each string word is consists of lower English letters. Alright, so in order to solve this, there's a couple of solutions, but my go-to would be to use a group by sorted strings. So strings are anagram when they have the same number of characters. So that's one thing we need to note of, right? They have the same number of characters. It's ideal to choose a key that represents the anagram group. So if the key is sorted in the arbitrary string in the group, so all the anagrams of the strings will have the same group because they have the same key. So I'm going to use a default dictionary, and we're going to have a key value pair. Now I'm going to just join it and append it together. So here's how we're going to do that. The first thing we want to do is define a default dict. And it's going to be of a list. And then what we want to do is for each string in our string list given, stirs, what we want to do is we want to assign a key value to be an empty string join our sorted S. So basically we're taking each I'll describe it after the next line. So and we're gonna make the key value in our dictionary to be our to append that to our string. S. Then return our value, our dictionary values for each key. Okay, so what does this mean? So first we create a default dictionary to house our array, right? Array of our answer. So then for each string, what we're gonna do is we sort for each of these letters. We sort it out, so it all becomes the same word, and then we just join it as a key. Then each key, we're just gonna append the string to the key. So ideally, we're making a key to be the sorted anagram, the sorted word, and then we just append the string, each character that has the same sort afterwards. So let's go for this example here. So basically, first one, if you have eat, if we have to sort that, it becomes AET, right? And that's to become our key, right? That's our key. And then for each of them, we're just gonna sort it out. So for instance, eat. We have that letter that goes EAT. We just make that a value of the key, right? That's a value. And then what? We keep on going down. We have T. So we sort that, sorted, and that becomes AET, and that becomes the key to our value of a. That means we add this to our key value of AET after sorted. So that's the general idea. Let's run that. Alright, it looks the same, looks good. Accepted, awesome. So time complexity would be big O of n, for n representing each character in the string, and times L log L, so the length of each string representing L. So it'll be big O of n times L log L. Space complexity, because where n is actually, this is n, so anything below, less than 10 to the power 4, and L log L is the length of each string. Space complexity is big O of n times L, so it'll be the length of string times the length of the string given times each character in the string. Alright, that's it. Have yourself a nice day, guys.